Morning everyone, happy Monday. Hope you're all doing well. My name is Adwoa and today I woke up really early. It's 7:56 right now. I've been up for a while. I'm planning on making some breakfast. Actually, not even making breakfast, reheating breakfast, because I made buttermilk waffles a few days ago, or just 2 days ago. And we still have a little bit left over, I think. So I'm gonna make that. So I started this thing with First Form. It's called My Transformation Starts Today. And it's an 8-week challenge. It's a fitness challenge. So I just took my pictures for that today. And then there's like workouts in the app that you can do. Today's is a Tabata workout. And it's like 4 different complexes. So I'm gonna do that later today. But I'm hungry. Let me show you my outfits. So shirt is from Blue Notes, I believe. Joggers are from H&M. It's literally snowed every single day during this time period right now, which is just fantastic. Well, we can't go outside anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. And I'm in the house board. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock right now. I have so much energy. I'm gonna do some yoga soon. I'm just kind of like planning out some content because your girl's trying to be productive. So I have so much energy, which is weird. So for the past few weeks I've been waking up super late and I haven't been very productive, and I've already gotten so much done today. My bed's made. I got my transformation pictures done. I'm planning content. I'm trying to be more consistent on Instagram and YouTube. So I'm hoping to start doing like 2 videos a week. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'm thinking of doing like more challenge type videos. So yeah, planning out content. This is my planner. There's not really much, so I'm still working on that. But I just want to do my yoga. But I want to make sure that I have stuff to post for like Instagram and stuff. I think I'm gonna take some pictures today. I have a bunch of video ideas. Like I said, I want to do more challenge videos. I'm gonna do a little bit more fitness stuff. Okay, so I just did the workout from day 1 of the transformation challenge. You guys see this? I'm sweating. This never happens to me. And my cardio sucks, so I'm glad I did this. It was very challenging. I've never done a workout like this before, and I actually really enjoyed it, even though it was kind of hard, but it really pushed me, and I'm proud of myself. Oh, I'm so gross now. I'm gonna take my post-workout shake soon and then get on with the rest of my night. So I just made my post-workout shake. So I put half a scoop of Ignition, which is literally just carbs. It's a fast digesting carb. It's a monosaccharide, I believe so. Ooh, I sound so smart. And then Formula 1, which is a fast digesting protein. I take this because it really helps me speed up my recovery process when I'm like working out and stuff. Oh no, stick to here. When I'm working out, and it also tastes really good. I take this post-workout. I literally just put 1 scoop of the Formula 1, which is the protein, and then half a scoop of Ignition, which is the carb source. Mix it with just water. I put like 6 ounces of water, mix it all together, and it's so good. Yeah, I've had experiences with other proteins, and they really didn't taste that great. And this stuff with just water tastes amazing. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave it linked down below. Or if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram. Okay, so just ate my dinner. It was very delicious. Did my workout, have my protein shake. I am so tired, but we're going to have a family movie night, and my brother and I picked The Matrix. That came out in 1999. That makes me feel super old. And I'm gonna make some kettle corn because that's the only popcorn my family eats nowadays, and it's so good. So honestly, I don't blame us. I think I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. And yeah, I played Wii with my brother, and there was one game of baseball where I owned him so badly. It was an 8. I'll put a picture on the screen right here of the score. But then there was one game where I lost horribly. Like I didn't even I guess 2. I didn't even get to play. Like it was something called Mercy Rule, and he got 6 points and the game was over. I had 0, so I didn't even have a chance to like redeem myself, which is so unfair. But I beat him twice, I think. So or even. And then in tennis, he beat me. Because we only did 1 game. We usually do like best of 3 or best of 5, but he wanted to be a cheat, so. And then we also played bowling, which I beat him, and the last time he finally discovered his technique, and it wasn't a technique, but he was so close to beating me, but he lost by 3 points, so sucks to be him, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna make the popcorn and let my family just, you know, keep doing their thing. I had to make sure everything is quiet. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm very tired too, so yeah. turns out I burnt the popcorn, so that was a fail. Okay, so it's the end of the night. I'm gonna take my makeup off. First, I'm gonna take my contacts out. I have my camera like suction cupped to my mirror, so hopefully you guys like the angle. And I feel like it's more eye level. Actually, no, it's not, but I'll work on that. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of my nighttime skincare routine as well. So for my eye makeup, I just use a cotton round and some micellar water. I just don't want to irritate my eyes. And this is just the Garnier Skin After one, like with the blue lid. I've tried them all, so I don't really notice that much of a difference. So I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. So I'm gonna go into this Foreo night cleanser and just wash my face for 60 seconds.
Drop it in. I love it when you like that. Turn around and smoke it.
I apologize if the camera angle changed, the battery died, so I have to charge it. So I'm gonna go in with this Caudalie Perfect Serum. So now I'm gonna go in with my fresh eye cream. I know some people say you don't really need it, but I just like how it feels. And I've noticed a bit of a difference with it, so why not continue? And then for my face cream, I'm using this Caudalie Perfect Night Cream. Hopefully that's in focus, I can't really tell. Let's put a generous amount on my face, avoiding the eye area because it has glycolic acid in it.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just forever. So mesmerized by that ass.
And last but not least, for my face, I use the Ordinary Marula oil. And I just put a couple drops of this in the palm of my hand. Ooh. that's the skincare routine done. And then the last thing I'll do is like lip care. So I'll use my Laneige lip mask, or mostly my Laneige lip mask because, or lip sleeping mask, because it leaves my lips feeling super delicious and soft in the morning. I look like a grease ball, but it's okay. As you guys can see, I'm ready for bed. I was just planning out my week. I didn't get through all of it yet. I don't know why my voice is being like this. I really apologize. So yeah, I was planning out my week, and now it's time to hit the hay because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I started listening to a podcast. If you guys are into true crime, check out Crime Junkies. They're really good. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to that and just go to bed. Actually, I'm gonna turn on my lights. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. So hopefully guys, I can't talk, I'm too tired. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave some comments down below letting me know your thoughts on the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Hit that notification bell so that you do get notified every single time I upload. And until next time, bye guys.
And I'm going through my Netflix, worked in the motherfucker, I ain't even doing shit. Tell her pull up, make it shit like that's great neck. Frozen with nowhere to go, bitch. Papa COD on the PS4.